Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we'll compare two consonant sounds, r and l, as in the words pray and play. In our previous videos, we learned how to make them. Remember the videos for the r sound, as in the word run, and the ol sound, as in the word let? The r and the ol may not sound similar, but they have some things in common. Both of them are made with air passing through the mouth around the sides of the tongue like a liquid. This is why they're called the liquid consonants. Foreign speakers who don't have these sounds in their native language often can't distinguish between the r and the ol, and may involuntarily distort or swap them in words. A great way to practice the pronunciation of these two sounds is to practice them in contrasting word pairs. Before we begin, let's check how well you can differentiate between the r and the ol sounds. You'll see a pair of words on the screen and hear only one of them pronounced. For example, play. Can you guess what word you heard? Let's try a few more word pairs. Brush. Clown. Grow. Free. Lice. How did you do? Don't get discouraged if you didn't get all the words right. You'll improve after doing some pronunciation exercises in just a minute. Here are the two key distinctions between the r and the ol. First, look at the position of the tip of the tongue. For the r sound, the tip of the tongue is raised toward the alveolar ridge, but it doesn't touch it. For the ol sound, the tip of the tongue touches the alveolar ridge, behind your upper front teeth. Second, look at the blade of the tongue. For the r sound, the middle of the tongue is lowered, and the back of the tongue is raised. For the ol sound, the back of the tongue is lowered. Let's pronounce these sounds one after the other. R, ol, r, ol, r, ol. Now that you've reviewed how to make these consonants, let's practice pronouncing these sounds in some words. This is the most important part of your training, so try to go through as many words as possible. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Arrive. After that, you'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Repeat each word after the speaker. The first word will have the r consonant sound, and the second will have the l consonant sound. Let's begin. Arrive. Alive. Broom. Bloom. Brush. Blush. Crime.
climb, crowd, cloud, crown, clown, correct, collect, frame, flame, free, flee, fresh, flesh, fry, fly, grass, glass, grow, glow, grew, glue, race, lace.
You're done. Congratulations. To check how much you've improved, you can do the word pairs test again. Click this link to go back and compare the results. You've just practiced 2 essential American sounds. Once you get confident pronouncing them, you'll be able to take the next steps towards improving your American accent. You can start working on the R-colored vowels, which are quite hard to make without first learning to pronounce the American R consonant sound. You'll also find it easier to master the dark L, which is a variation of the L consonant sound that you practiced in this video. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sounds American channel.